Hi, and welcome to Outdoor Training. In this movie, I will try to explain you why mulching is much more interesting than collecting your grass. To understand better why mulching is better than collecting, we need to look to the physiology of grass. If you look to grass, 90% of the grass is water, 10% is organic material. Someone who is working with a mulching mower will not collect the grass, but will cut it into small pieces and send the nutrition and the water back into the soil, what will result in the better, healthier and green lawn. You can recognize a good mulch mower by the chassis that is made out of one piece that is slightly curved or bended, made in plastic, aluminum or metal, and the blade has multiple bendings and a longer edge that is sharpened compared to a collecting blade. This type of chassis makes that the grass can be thrown up and down multiple times with the airflow against the sharp edge of the blade. It will be cut in such a small pieces that you can't detect the small pieces and that they go back into the soil and hydrate the soil for your grass. In the beginning of the season, when the grass is higher, you can start higher by adjusting the height adjustment of your lawnmower, and you can bring the height down every week until you reach the correct height or the desired height of your lawn. With a real mulch mower, you can cut wet grass and dry grass with the same result. My suggestion is the morning or the evening when the grass is getting a little bit heavier, so the impact against the blades will be higher and the result and the chips or the clippings will be much smaller. When your lawnmower is not dedicated to mulching, but it's converted to a mulch mower, I recommend to cut maximum 1/3 of the length of your grass. When it's a dedicated lawnmower, the best way is 1/3, but in extreme conditions, you can cut up to 40–50% of the length of your grass, under the condition that the mower is clean and the blade is sharp.